deliveries are taking a while, but I'm okay. It's here now. Hi everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I'll tell you, I understand with the virus and everything that's going on that the warehouses are closed with Stitch Fix, and I'm sure that it's limited employees. So things are taking a little bit longer, but this box was actually due on April 16th. So it just came a couple days ago, which was 2 weeks later. Yeah, but that's okay. That's all right. I understand. It's here now, so let's see what's in here. I've untaped it. Okay, so with Stitch Fix, they said they give you a prepaid envelope, so anything that you don't want to keep, you put back in this envelope. And let's see, how does this one go? This one is shipped through the post office. So you can give it to your postman or you can drop it off. I always like to drop it off because I like to get a receipt. Oh, I guess I should tell you what Stitch Fix is. I'm sure a lot of you know, but it is a personal styling service. The styling fee is $20, and that $20 is applied to anything that you purchase. Shipping is free to you and any returns. I have a referral link if you'd like to give Stitch Fix a try. I have a link for $50 off or a $50 credit, and I'm not sure if it works. If not, I have a $25 credit, but I'll leave it below. So if you'd like to give them a try my link, and let's see, I think we both get the credit. Yes, you get a $50 credit and I would get a $50 credit, unless it's 25. We'll see if the link still works. Okay, let's see what's in my box. I made some requests. I saw a skirt and a top that I really wanted. I requested it, so let's hope that it's in my box. I saw it on another channel, and then what else did I, oh, remember my last Stitch Fix? I received that kind of white cream color sweater by French Connection. Well, at first I didn't like it because I thought it's oversized. Well, I decided that I wanted to get that sweater in a smaller size, so it wasn't just as boxy, because it was pretty boxy. There's something about that sweater that kept drawing me back to it, so I requested that. This bundle does not look very big, so let's see if it's in here. Well, let me show you the bundle, and then I'll see. There's a note in here and a styling sheet and the invoice. Oh, okay. Looks like we have some jewelry and some dark colors. I don't see anything white. Okay, well, we'll see. Hopefully the skirt is in here and the top, and it was more of a navy top, and I think it had some, oh, well, let's just see if it's in here. Okay, here is the invoice, which I'm not going to look at. I'm gonna just take a quick look. I'm not gonna look at this. This is the styling sheet on how you can style the items in your box. Let me see the note. I still have Emma, and she says, let's see, it's Fix Day, Barbara, Emma here. So excited to be styling with you again. I'm so happy you loved the sneakers in your last fix. Sadly, I wasn't able to snag, oh, the looks you requested. Let's see, I've got your back. Oh, that's so sweet. I've got your back, and I'll be sure to check again next time. In happier news, I did find some great high-rise shorts with distressed denim. All right, I'm excited about that. How does this pair, okay. I'm not gonna read the rest because I don't wanna get spoiled. I'll give you a little sneak peek. I'm not gonna look. This is the styling sheet and my note from Emma. Okay, let's see what Emma's selected for me. Okay, we got that noise out of the way. Let's start with the jewelry. I'll do all the prices at the end. Okay, that's pretty. Some pearls. Kind of like silver, it looks like silver. Oh, this is heavy. This is very heavy. Oh, it's got the slider. make it longer and shorter. This is heavy, it really is. I'm surprised at how heavy that is with the beads. Wow. It would go good with this top. Okay, well, we'll try that on. Okay, this top is by Pale Sky. Looks like a smock top. Looks like it's got some embroidering on it. Pretty color. It's pretty flowy. It's got an elastic wrist. Okay, we'll have to see what that looks like on. Oh, this is pretty. Wow, who is this by? Rainn. Okay, Rainn is a little pricey, so we'll see. Look at this pretty color. Wow, that's very pretty. Beautiful blue. Look at the back. That is nice. Okay, so it's got some pleating, it looks like, in the front. This is really cute. Love the color. I like the little cap sleeves. Okay, I'm excited about that. Ooh, this is a sweater. Okay, I have a sweater on today because it had been in the 70s 2 days ago. Well, actually yesterday. And then today it's raining and it's cold. And I had a t-shirt on and I was like, it is just too cold to wear a t-shirt. This is a heavy sweater. This is by Design History. I haven't heard of Design History. Oh, wow. Look at the sleeves. It's got polka dots. It's kind of like it's just a lighter material, but this is heavy, really heavy. I don't know, this could be a barber top. You know, it depends on the price and how it looks, how much I like it. Okay, here's the jeans. Oh, these are nice. I mean, they're pretty much the same thing that I already have, but I like the distressing in them. They look a little shorter than normal. Oh, they come undone. I mean, they roll down. So that's a good thing. Nice, they are nice. I mean, they've got some strap, like this band up here, which this girl needs right now because I am doing a lot of, what do you call it? Boredom eating, I guess. Stuck in the house like we all are. And you know, you go from one thing to, I'm staying busy, but I keep wanting to come in the kitchen and find stuff to eat. I know, I think we're all going through that. Okay, let's do a try on. First 2 items. I forgot to look at the tag. I didn't look at the paperwork, so I will put all the information down below in the description, also on the screen, and then we'll do a real quick review at the end. So I have 2 pieces on. Okay, this is the embroidered top. It is very pretty, it really is. The embroidery on it, it ties here, but it's pretty low. So I would feel more comfortable with a cami on underneath it, maybe even just one of those half camis. It feels nice, the color's pretty. The detail on it with the embroidery in the front, it's on the bottom here, all the way around, and in the back. Overall, this is a very cute top. It's a little flowy. It does have the elastic stretch on the sleeve. Here's a better look at the fabric. And then the tassels on the tie. Okay, so here's the first top. Okay, I have the jeans on. Surprise, surprise. I know I have a lot of these jeans. These fit pretty well. Okay, I am in a size tight 6 is what I've been wearing. To go into an 8, they're too big. So I'm just squeezing into those 6s right now. These shorts are a size 6 and it has the extra stretch in them. So they've got the little bit of distressing. They roll down. So there they are down. I like them rolled up better. They are looser in the leg and there is stretch. I prefer them to be a little bit tighter, but these are really nice. They really are. And honestly, these feel much better than the shorts that I have here at home. So, I don't know, it might be time to add another pair to my wardrobe. Okay, let's see what's next. This is by Design History. I looked this time and I have the necklace on. It's a really nice, thick, quality sweater. It is soft. I like the length of it and the silhouette of it. And also on the, I've noticed that it's got like this, I know you guys aren't going to be able to see it, but almost like a different stitching that goes through, like I want to say like a little weave. And it's very difficult to see it. You probably can't see it on camera. It just caught my eye when I put it on. But I mean, it's nice, but I like unique and different things, but these sleeves, they're just, I'll just tell you right now, they're not for me. Let's just put it out there. Let's just be honest. What do you guys think? I mean, it's a cute sweater. Maybe if the ruffles, they weren't so big, and if they came down to the wrist, maybe I would like them better, because I like ruffles. I am a ruffle girl, but that's a lot of ruffles. And honestly, this right here, I don't know what that is. I guess, oh, okay, so that's where the ruffles start. It is tight. It is very uncomfortable tight. So right away, this is gonna be a no. I'm just gonna put it out there. It is cute, it is different. We're getting close, but these ruffles, no, not that big. No, not for me. Okay, let's talk about this necklace. It does adjust. I mean, it's a nice necklace, but it's just, you know, it's just kind of plain. There's nothing, I mean, it's got the beads. It is heavy. You know, it would be cute layered somehow. And I think I have something similar to this that is actually a Kendra Scott necklace. But I mean, it's heavy. It's nice, but it's just not like a wow piece. So this is also going to be a no. Okay, I have one more top. Look at this beautiful top. Can you tell I like this? This is really nice. It's by Rainn. I love the fit. I like the split neck. I do like the small little cap sleeve. Love the color. I like that it's loose, but yet it's kind of gives you a little bit of a waist, you know, a shape. The pleating in the front is really nice. I like the hem, the length. I like that it goes up. Around the hem is nice. And the back, wait till you see the back. Let me give you a little bit closer look. Very pretty. I don't know, I just really like it. I like it a lot. You could do a front tuck. Cute, cute, cute. I like it. Okay, let's talk about these items. I have the style pass, so I don't have a style credit, a style fee credit. My total box is $286. If I buy all, you get a 25% discount, which would bring it a negative $71.50. Subtotal would be $214.50. Okay, I am not keeping the entire box. I am keeping this top. I love this top. I don't know, I love the color. I like the shape of it. How much is it? I didn't even look at how much it is. I'm already telling you I'm gonna keep it. Rainn, lace details, split neck, $64. Okay, $64 for a top. Right now with all the sales going on is expensive. I do have some credits, so that will cover the cost of this, so I'm gonna keep it. I mean, Rainn is expensive anyways. I just like the detail in it, and I like the way that it fits, and I like the way that it feels. It's light, so I'm keeping it. I know, $64, but I like it a lot. Okay, the shorts, $58 by I can't say it, I can't pronounce it. but it's on the screen. $58. Okay, I am on the fence with these because they are kind of loose in the leg, but they do have the nice stretch here. I wish they were a little bit more something, like a little more like maybe a raw hem or something, just something different. I mean, it does have the distressing, but it's okay. So I'm probably going to keep them for $58 because they fit, and everything else is getting skin tight. So, and they are size 6. Oh, this shirt is a size small, just for your information, and I'm 5'4", so if that helps. Okay, this top. Okay, this way, on my paperwork it says Daniel Rainn, but it says on here Pale Sky. This is size small. I think this color actually washes me out. I really do. There's something about this. I like pinks, but I think this washes me out. This is totally not my style. This is a size small, $68. As cute as it is, I won't reach for it, so I put it in my closet. So it's going back. Oh, okay. The necklace. Let's see, $38. Abbi Beaded necklace. It's nothing special. It's just plain necklace. It's really heavy. So it's going back. Okay. This top. Oh, by Design History, size small, $58. No, it's going back. It's just, now the sweater part is really nice. And I think I know why Emma sent this to me, because I know you guys are going to say, why are you getting winter stuff? Why are you getting a sweater? Because I requested that French Connection sweater in a smaller size. So that's probably why she sent this to me. So if I loved it and it fit right, I would keep it. I mean, I'm changing out my closet. I've had clothes forever. It's time to get rid of those and do a refresh. So this is going back. So it looks like this is a definite keeper, and the shorts are a possibility. More than likely, I'm gonna keep the shorts also. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the try-on. Maybe you saw something that you're interested in requesting or requesting a box. I'll leave my referral link in the bottom. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.